song which is sung in a church by the group of singers Carol ईसाइयों का भजन CAROL. A person who draws or makes map cartographer मानचित्रकार. The art or process of drawing or makes map cartography मानचित्रकारी. An amusing drawing about politics events in the news cartoon CARTOON व्यंग्यचित्र. A place where gambling games are played casino CASINO जुआखाना. A large deep pot used deep in both in the oven and as a serving vessel casserole CAWSEROLE. हांडी एक तरह का बर्तन. A list or collection of books or informative graphics catalog CATALOGE सूची. An event causing great and sudden damage or suffering catastrophe CATASTROPHE तबाही. Causing great damage or suffering catastrophic विनाशकारी. A large deep metal pot used for cooking over open fire cauldron 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 हांडा कढ़ाई. Soldiers who fight on horseback cavalry CAVALRY घुड़सवारी. The sound of a crow cow CAW कौवे की काँव काँव. A time when enemies agree to stop fighting ceasefire CEASEFIRE युद्ध विराम. The state of being unmarried by choice celibacy ब्रह्मचर्य CELIBACY. Underground place for storing wine or other provisions cellar CEWAR तहखाना. A large burial ground cemetery CEMETERY कब्रिस्तान. A person who is 100 years old or more centenarian CENTENARIN 100 वर्ष का. The 100th anniversary of an event centennial 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 100 साल का. Anything tending to move away from center centrifugal 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 अपकेंद्री. Something that is related to the brain or the intellect cerebral 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 दिमागी. Art of designing or writing on wax कैरेग्राफी CEROGRAPHY सेरोग्राफी. मोम पर नक्काशी का काम करना. Rub a part of the body to restore warmth and sensation. चेफ CHFE रगड़ कर गरमाना. Vexation for humiliation and disappointment. चाजरिन CHAGRIN विफलता निराशा की वजह से शर्मिंदगी महसूस होना. A child who is believed to have been secretly left in exchange for another changeling CHANGELING बदला हुआ बच्चा. A small building room used for Christian worship in a school, prison, large private house etc. Chapel 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 छोटा गिरजाघर. Compelling attractiveness or charm that can inspire or influence other charisma CHARISMA आकर्षण. Exercising a compelling charm which inspires devotion in others charismatic CHRISMATIC charismatic आकर्षक. A person falsely claiming to have a special knowledge or skill cartillion CARLATEN Carlton ढोंगी. Run after in order to catch or catch up with chase CHSE पीछा करना. A deep fissure in earth surface, a base frame of car or other wheel vehicle chassis CHASIS chassis ढांचा. A person employed to have a person employed to drive a private or hired car. Chauffeur. 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 Motor chalak. Palm reading. Chiromancy. 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 Hastrekha Vidya. A group of singers in a church. Choir. CHYR. Choir. Gayak Mandali. A routine task, especially a household one. Kahor. CHORE. Dainik Kam. One who plans the step and moves in a dance. Choreographer. CHOREOGRAPHER. Nritya Nirdesak. A disease presenting for a long time or recurring again and again. Chronic. CHRONIC. Dirgh Sthai. A factual written account of important or historical events in the order of their occurrence. Chronicle. 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 कालक्रम से अभिलेखन. An arrangement of events or dates in order of their occurrence. Chronology. कालक्रम. CHRONOLOG. Chronology. कालक्रम. An instrument for measuring time accurately in spite of motion or variation in temperature, humidity and air pressure. Chronometer. CHRONOMETR. Chronometer. बिल्कुल ठीक समय बताने वाली घड़ी. Rude in man. Rude in mean spirited and surly way. Churlish. CHURLIS. Churlish. अभद्र. Extreme self confidence or audacity. चटपा. CHUTZPAH. चटपा. दुस्साहस. The use of many words where only a few are necessary. Circumlocution. 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 शब्द बाहुल्य. Clues available at a scene. SCNE. Clues available at a scene. Circumstantial. CIRCUMESTANTL. Circumstantial. पारिस्थितिक. A fortress. A fortress. A fortress typically one on high ground above a city. Citadel. CITADL. Citadel. किला. गढ़. Climb or move with difficulty or a lot of effort, typically using one's hands and feet. Clamber. 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 हाथ पैर के बल कठिनाई से चलना. Making a loud and confused noise. Clamorous. CLAMOUROUS. Clamorous. कोलाहलपूर्ण. A loud appeal or demand. Clamor. CLAMOUR. Clamor. कोलाहल शोर. An extreme fear of being in a small confined place. An extreme fear of being in a small confined place. Claustrophobia. 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 छोटे जगह में होने का अत्यधिक डर. All the customs of a business. Clientele. 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 ग्राहकगण.